Right. And Bill, I think the reason too that this comes at a particularly difficult time and makes it even more devastating is you're looking at the 4th of July. It's a holiday. That particular area in the hill country is known amongst vacationers. People come from all over the country to camp out near the Guadalupe River, near the Frio River. And just a little while ago, we were talking to someone from one of the camps up there, and they said they had hundreds of children and people from all over the country vacationing here. Luckily, in their particular case, they were on higher ground, so they're all accounted for and safe. But you have, for example, Camp Mystic Summer Girls Camp, where right now some girls are still unaccounted for, and the parents are still waiting to hear was the last thing. So we don't know how many are impacted. We are just getting now another word that Camp La Junta near Hunt, everyone is safe and accounted for, so that is some great news. They said they too are on higher ground, so I think the camps that are located a little higher, those are the ones that are okay. But if you think about how many camps are in that area, between Comfort and Ingram and Kerrville, there's a lot.
There are a lot, and that's exactly what you're saying, is that's what this community is made up, is that there's so many different camps. Another update that we just got into our newsroom is Camp Waldemore. We're happy to report that everybody is safe there except their phone and internet is down, we're told, but they are telling us that everyone is safe again at Camp Waldemore, and this is in Hunt. And then also another camp, Camp Kickapoo, which is in Kerrville, also reporting that everyone is safe. And when we spoke to Lisa earlier with another different camp, which Sarah's just mentioning, they actually got ahead, planned ahead. They felt like something wasn't right of what was coming today. And so she was happy to report that they are safe at Camp Mo, I believe. But what she was telling us is that this community, they're all family. They're all in this together. And so it is unfortunate when we are hearing reports like for Camp Mystic, where there are reports that there are children who are missing, for girls that are missing, and that's part of the rescue efforts right now. So we pray for their families and their loved ones right now.
Absolutely. Our hearts are with those parents and the families waiting to hear from their loved ones, and they don't know what their status is. One of the things Lisa mentioned is that, and you mentioned that now with the camp community being so close with each other, but they've contacted them, they've talked to them, they've reached out, and they're offering to help each other as well. So I think you're seeing the ones that made it through from the higher ground, trying to do whatever they can to help the other camps that are impacted right now and flooded out.
Absolutely. All right, that was the updates on the camps along the Hill Country area. Now I believe we have our colleague, KENS 5 reporter and meteorologist Jeremy Baker.